Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to link Konami ID with eFootball 2027 mobile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So go to extras, then click on support, then tap on link data. You can read over here, you can link your current saved data. By linking your data, you will be able to continue playing on that account even if you switch devices at a later date. So there are two options, link using Google Play and link Konami ID. So tap on link Konami ID. Now it will redirect you to the Konami website. You can read this information. Please confirm the following before proceeding and then click on next button. Now simply enter your email address and then you can click on login. In the next page, you have to enter the password and then you can easily click on login button. It will redirect back to the eFootball 2027 mobile. And this is how you can link Konami ID with eFootball 2027. Now if you have passkey, then you can also tap on logging in with a passkey option and then login with a passkey. Now if you do not have any Konami ID, then you can also register your account. So simply tap on register and follow the on-screen instruction to register in your account. And if you have existing account, then you can simply enter your email address and then password, and whatever progress you have in your existing account, it will get recovered. Now if you're facing any kind of issue, then you can simply tap on this chat icon. You can see it is Konami ID support and you can tell your problem to them and they will help you out. So by following these steps, you can easily link Konami ID with eFootball 2027. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.